Welcome to the JandJAutoWrecking test video of stock number 9509. Today we have a 1999 Chevrolet GMT800 1500 truck, finished in a beautiful dark copper metallic with pewter at the bottom, LS trim. You don't see many 99s at the auction anymore. They got some really funky interiors on the high trim cloth trucks, very reminiscent of the early Avalanches. This particular girl only has 157,000 miles on her, and we got her out of southern Texas. No third door on this side on these trucks because it's a 99. Have not seen this color in person, so kind of a cool experience. Sunbaked, 5.3 4L60E combo, runs phenomenal, cable driven. It's the one everybody wants. This thing is untouched. It had a pretty late model battery in it. It was just a good running truck. Front bumper's gonna have a brush guard with it. We're gonna have a lot of rust-free Texas parts on this thing. Unfortunately, the bed didn't make it and the frame is twisted. This thing got smacked in the worst possible way. Can't win them all. Really wish it was fixable, but just not viable. Pop inside here, test some stuff out really fast. Power seat's working, climate control's got LEDs in it. That's kind of cool. Power windows are working, albeit slowly. Oh, let's go ahead and put her in gear. 4L60E went right away. Right into reverse. Very nice shifting. Let's test four-wheel drive out. Right back in. Power mirrors. Oh look, a bad mirror switch, like always. Much prefer the 99 to 02 trucks. I don't know why, they just remind me of a GMT 400, but better. Currently daily in an 06. It's alright, but the CAN bus stuff. Oh hey, there's a kitty in here. That was almost really bad. Well guys, I have rambled enough about GMT 800s. It's just, I love these things. That is going to conclude the JandJAutoWrecking test video of stock number 9509. You know the gig. If you're looking for any of the parts you may have seen in the video, head on over to our website. There'll be a link in the description down below. I'm John at JandJAutoWrecking. Thanks for watching.